What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Give my boy a lot of love for his 2020 Ford Mustang GT. Woo! Is a customer, and I gotta tell you, Teals here at the dealership, my family business, my mom and my dad and me working hard every single day. We got the best customers in the world. We don't have the best financing. We don't got the best cars. We don't got, we're not the best detailers. All that being said, we just do our best. That's all we can do. I try to do my best in just about everything that I do. We're gonna buy our 2014 Toyota Corolla, and we tell him, hey bro, is that your Mustang? He says, yeah, it's my Mustang. And I was like, dude, that thing is sick. And he's like, you want to go for a ride? And I was like, no. How did he know I wanted to go for a ride? Let's see the Mustang. Is it 5-speed? 6-speed? Yeah. Damn, this is sick, dude. John Nelson. Nice to meet you, John. So tell me about your car. What year is it?
2020.
It's a 2020?
Yeah, 2020.
2020 5.0, 6-speed manual transmission?
Yeah.
Damn, why'd you go with the manual?
My dad.
Your dad?
I wanted the 10-speed.
Uh-huh.
My dad's like, oh, like, you have to get the 6-speed. If not, like, you're not getting in the car.
No way.
He's a big muscle guy. He had a Corvette. He's had, like, all these types of cars,
Uh-huh.
And he said, like, you have to get the 6-speed.
Is it pretty chill with the 6-speed?
Yeah. I mean, sometimes, it, like, blocks you out and shit, but other than that, it's been normal.
Really into trucks. But I love the Mustang. So my truck, I want to make it, low, slow, and just chill, but just have that muscle. Not have to worry too much about shifting it, but...
Want to do a pull?
Sure. Your dad's probably gonna... Oh, no! Shit. Woo! Hell yeah, bro.
That's cool.
Damn, this thing is tight. Damn.
Yeah, I guess it.
Woo, that was sick. So what do you have? You have a cold air intake?
I have the JLT cold air.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a Bomb X tune.
Oh, you got it tuned?
Yeah, I got it tuned.
Nice. So you got it dynoed?
No, just with the controller.
Oh, okay.
I sent it out to a tuner. He checked all the parts I had and tuned it to the car.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have 285s in the back, 255s in the front.
Oh, okay. The tires?
Yeah, the tires.
What wheels do you have?
There's some off-brand.
Aloha or something like that?
Audans. There's some like off-brand for now.
Oh, okay.
And I have the front lip, the grill.
Mm-hmm, I seen it.
2 inches.
Lowered it 2 inches. What did you use to lower it?
Just springs.
Lowering springs?
Yeah, I took it to a shop.
Sick. How much you pay for the springs?
It was, I think, $1,000 for everything with install, alignment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
I bought it off offer up with some guy.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, bro, you gotta save where you can,
Yeah.
Sometimes those aftermarket parts.
Yeah.
I know, dude, you can't feel a thing when you're driving. What size are those wheels?
They're 20s.
20s? Yeah, dude, this thing is so smooth. Especially with all the suspension, you think it'd be like shot.
It's stiff, but when driving on normally, it's cool.
Damn, this thing's dope, bro.
Just mob around for a little bit.
What's up?
Just want to mob around for a little bit.
Sure, let's go. You don't waste too much gas?
Nah. It's not that bad on gas.
Damn,
on the
dude.
freeway, I got like 25.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Yeah, I love the Mustang. I love all the buttons, the wheel. I love everything about it. Mm-hmm. And you got black outside, black inside. That's so sick. And then you got the manual. I wasn't expecting the manual.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. They're like all automatic,
like, Everybody sees like, oh, I only see 10 speeds nowadays. 'Cause they're faster,
Mm-hmm.
But
that's sick too that your dad stuck with the V8, Mm-hmm. Instead of getting the turbo or whatever.
Yeah. Because my dad had a C6 Corvette with the 6.0.
Mm-hmm.
And he got rid of that. And then I told him, I want to get my Mustang,
So you guys like share this car or what?
No, I drive this to work every day, and he drives this truck. Barely share it. He drives it every like once a month or something.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
But
that's cool. He gets to drive it.
Whenever.
Mm-hmm. That's sick, bro. You guys should get to share it.
Yeah.
That's tight.
He never wants to. He'd rather drive his truck. More comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sometimes with the manual too, you don't want to drive it. You know what I'm saying?
I have one too at the house. I have a little Honda.
Nice.
I have a little Honda Accord 2000.
Mm-hmm.
I just got it, but I want to lower it and put like bags on it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I want to put rims. I want to put all that shit too.
What year is it?
2000.
Oh, 2000?
Yeah.
Honda Accord?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice.
It's 5-speed too.
Oh, damn, no way.
Yeah.
That's sick. I know, I drive all kinds of different 5-speeds. We got a Miata right now. I drove the gray one. I drove that for like maybe 2 months. Shit's awesome. And then right when we put that one for sale, my dad got a Civic, a red one. So I started driving that one. So I've been driving 5-speed for like 3 or 4 months. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But then, oh man, I kind of get tired of it a little bit. The Honda Civic, I was like, ah, dude.
Especially in traffic like right now.
Yes, yeah.
Not long ago, I was gonna buy a supercharger for this.
Oh, damn.
I was gonna buy it, but I bought the Honda instead.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to daily this supercharger every day.
You race a lot in it?
Honestly, don't.
No? Oh, that's good. You go to meets?
No.
No?
I work Monday through Saturday.
That's good. Yeah, me too.
My days off, I just want to chill, you know?
Exactly, I know. Oh.
They locked me out.
Oh shit, I'm like over here shaking, bro. I'm hella scared.
They locked me out, dude.
What?
I don't want to go to shit.
So does it do it on purpose when?
Yeah, it's just weird. It
Yeah?
has a red match too.
Do you want to go to the bank, the golden one? Or
I was gonna pick them up real quick.
oh, okay.
But yeah.
Damn, bro, that was awesome. Yeah, that was tight.
It's always second gear too. It just locked me out. Did not want to go in.
Electronically controlled and stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Like you have the whatever light, what is it, the traction control or whatever?
Oh yeah.
But it's probably because of the way that you're driving, huh? Ah, that's so lame.
It has a rev match too. Whenever you want to downshift, you just put in gear, rev it up by itself and all that.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. It's easy to drive.
Yeah, sometimes they're pretty easy to drive. I'm no good at driving 5-speed like brand new cars.
Mm-hmm.
Like it takes me a while to get the clutch.
Me too on this one because it's so stiff and it doesn't.
Yeah, it's so stiff. Yeah, and then your Honda's like the opposite,
Yeah,
huh?
my Honda's so soft. And
Yeah.
barely even-
And I was like, I swear to God, I lost my crap. I could not find a place to hang on to. Changing experience, and that's the #1 reason we do cars, man. Woo! Woo!